Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the YOSIGHT brand 6-piece screwdriver set. This is an insulated screwdriver set. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like up close, test it out, demonstrate it, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so this thing comes pretty well sealed, so you may need to cut off the top or find some kind of convenient way to get it open like I did. So be careful. I'm going to just open this up and pull these all out right now. All right, so once you get these out of the packaging, I'm going to cover a couple of key points here. So each one of these has obviously a little image here, plus or what will be a minus for Phillips or slotted screwdriver, as well as kind of the size. You'll hopefully see that they're kind of like a rubbery grip and then a plastic here, but then of course the actual end of the screwdriver is really really nice for a variety of reasons. First of all, it's a metal that is magnetic, so I just want to show you that we can pick up a whole bunch of different things. So it does make putting a screw on the edge very, very easy. So that is obviously super important for me. So there's 6 of these. And as we get this out of the case, I do want to show you that this comes with the ability to kind of wall mount. Now there are no screws to mount it or anything like that, but it does have the ability for wall mounting capabilities, and this is nice and light and plastic. So again, you're going to have 3 Phillips head and 3 slotted screwdrivers in a variety of different sizes. So a really nice set of tools. So we'll just kind of show you an example of screwing something in. So these will, and this is the largest one, fit just about every size needed. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed here. But a really nice and easy controllable handle, and that's I think the most important part for me. So this thing is really great. So obviously tons of different ways to use these, and then again, just going back to standard storage, these can either just kind of lay together, or you can mount them on a wall, whatever your choice is. There's no set way to do this or anything like that. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.